Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to create shared folders shortcut in Windows 10. Right-click New Shortcut. Copy text from description and paste it. Click Next. Change name of the shortcut. Click Next. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.